Alrighty, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another lovely YouTube video with your host with the most enormous dusty tablet. Uh, it's your boy Deviant. So, for today, we are going to be doing another requested character. We have the lovely and gracious 2B up here, looking absolutely thick, if I do so say. And right now, we just have her in a simple lying down pose, covered up. She got a nice little thong on with the bikini straps. And, she's on a little bed with some swords. Obviously, everywhere in the background. And maybe one on the bed. Alrighty. So, basically, we are going to be doing this and trying to talk about some random topics. So, if you are with me, grab something to draw with yourself, hop aboard, and let's get started. But wait, we have one thing to do, honorary of the channel. We have to get absolutely shit faded. So, for today, we are rocking the nice and lovely Clear with the battery pack. Obviously, it's detachable, but as I say, ladies and gentlemen, please wait till you are older, 21 or older, to partake in marijuana or any substances you want to be using. So yeah, just be safe. Wait till you're fucking old enough. Get some life experience. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Sorry for the little noise complaint. That was my cell phone interrupting the recording. So basically, we are working on 2B, but just making her a little bit more robust, a little bit more thicker, how you say. So for today's video, not really keeping up with a topic, more so just wanted to talk. I don't know, man. I more so feel like I am struggling in a lot of aspects of my artistical career, whether it be financially or something more methodical, like just numbers wise. I personally don't like where I'm at when it comes to just my, I wouldn't say so skill sets. Like, I like the art that I make, I like the shit that I can create and what I get paid for, that's no doubt. But in terms of the financial and like trivial support, it just feels slow to me right now. Not saying that I'm obviously not putting in enough work to gain enough traction to be more noticeable. It's just that I don't know, man. I feel like you have to do so much to create a subsection or a little niche for yourself to gain any type of traction when it comes to trying to be like a social media influencer or anything else of that nature, whether it be for me like creating art in anime, or someone wants to just do fashion or music or what have you. For me, I'm struggling with just trying to find a way to be financially stable. Like, it's one thing for me to create art and do what I love to do, but it's another thing when I'm struggling to, keep up on bills or trying to maintain somewhat of a productive lifestyle, eat, shower, bathe, shit like that, and not go homeless at the same time. The simple amenities, I feel like I am definitely having a huge struggle with. Now, I'm not saying I'm fucking poor or anything like that. It's just that I don't like how I am not in a bracket of lifestyle, or more so, I don't like how I'm just not financially well off as others are currently. And I really want to focus on just trying to make a simple or a high enough living off of only my artistic skills. I know a lot of people talk in terms of, you know, maintaining a 9-to-5 job or anything that is just a mundane, just, you know, working labor intensive job. And I just simply refuse to do that. I refuse to do it for many reasons, mainly being my mental and emotional well-being. I am tired of having to work under people who have already made it or deemed their success off the backs of other people. You know, there are people who are CEOs and, you know, who run billion-dollar businesses like, you know, stupid shit, McDonald's, Burger King, fast food stuff, grocery stores, industrial plants, stuff like that. And I don't want to do any of those type of jobs. It's not what I was born to do, and I don't want to work anything that's going to make me, you know, feel like an 80-year-old man on the inside, you know? So right now I'm just struggling trying to chase after this dream of being a goddamn artist while also trying to figure out how can I make enough money so I don't die, you know? I don't want to be rich and famous. I just want, you know, my bank account to be flourished enough to where I don't have to struggle or worry about rent or worry about, you know, having to pay a bill or something like that. And to do that, I have to somehow impress a bunch of strangers online, being the subscribers and the people I'm talking to now, the viewers, in whatever form of content I'm making, to impress people with higher power to give me stuff like sponsorships and brand deals and shit like that. And that's great and all, but it's like, how can I do that well enough to impress these type of people? Like, what can I create? What can I make? What can I offer that would give you guys a chance to look at me and give me that 15 minutes of fame, you know, that financial security? And I know a lot of other creators are doing this, and it's a fucking minefield. No one knows how to make it, while other people who have made it seem to just hoard all their wealth and knowledge. I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure things out. I'm trying to keep with it, but it's really fucking hard when it feels like no one is supporting you, whether it be YouTube, social media, what have you. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop my rambling. Enjoy the art piece. I did 2B. She's thick. So yeah, have fun and peace. Yo, what is up, guys? Sorry to jump back into the video real quick. Just want to say a quick thank you to the 6 lovely new Patreons who joined. If you were looking to get a lovely shout out like these guys, all you gotta do is donate to the Patreon and you will get lovely access to all my adult anime art, sketches, and commissioned pieces if you are interested. So shout outs to Nick, John, Rumspool, Jaden, Tyler, and Mizaku. You guys have been supporting me for the longest ever since I started up my Patreon a few months back. So thank you guys so much. If you are interested in being added to the list, all you got to do is donate down below. Join the Patreon and you can get access or request for the next video. Alrighty guys, have a wonderful day and see you later. Peace.